The national security law, which came into effect on 30th June 2020, was extremely effective. It was the circuit breaker which immediately put an end to the violence and riots in Hong Kong and restored order, law and order, stability and security. Without the national security law, Hong Kong would still be in turmoil. And so we really thank the authorities in Beijing for the help they gave to Hong Kong. As for the improvement to the electoral system, first of all, it ensured that all those who play an important part in governance are true patriots, in the sense that they do uphold the basic law and they do bear allegiance to the Hong Kong SAR. After the improved electoral system has been implemented, again, order, efficiency have been restored in the Legislative Council. In the past 6 months, the SAR government has introduced 16 bills to the Legislative Council, and we have enacted 3 of them, such as opening up medical registration. We have been able to enact important legislation that solve real problems for the people of Hong Kong, improve their livelihood, and narrow the wealth gap.